In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add section break in Card.co. If you're building a one-page site in Card and want clean, scrollable sections, like About, Services, or Contact, adding a section break is the key. It helps organize your layout and makes your page easier to read and design and navigate. First, open Card in your browser and sign into your account. When you land on the dashboard, you'll see your list of sites. Pick the site where you want to add the section break and open it in the editor by clicking the pencil icon. That takes you straight into the builder where you can make changes. Inside the editor, look for the Add button, the plus icon. Click it to open the element menu. This menu includes content elements like text and images, but for what we need, we're going to use a special type of element that controls layout rather than content. From the element menu, choose Control. Controls are behind-the-scenes elements that help structure your page. In the Control Settings panel, set the type to section break, then click Done. This inserts a section break onto your canvas. Think of it as a marker that tells Card a new section starts here. It won't show as visible content on your published site, but it separates your layout cleanly so you can build distinct areas. This also makes it easier to manage spacing and, if you use navigation later, anchor your links to specific parts of the page. Now that the break is in place, let's give the new section a container so you have a dedicated space to add content. Click the Add button or the plus icon again to open the element menu. This time, select Container. A container is like a flexible box that holds your text, images, buttons, or forms and helps you control width, padding, and background in one place. After selecting it, click Done. The container will be added to your canvas and can sit below the section break so your content is grouped neatly within that new section. And that's it. Your site now has a fresh section defined by a section break, with a container ready for your content. This approach keeps your layout tidy, improves readability, and sets you up for smoother styling and navigation. Remember, you can always refine spacing, alignment, and visual settings inside the container to match your design. When you're satisfied, you're good to continue building the rest of your page.